Hello, this is Mr. Gremlin. I'm going to take you through how to make a shoebox for the shoebox project inside of Photopea. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make 3 co-joining parallelograms. Okay, so this box is created by actually 5 parallelograms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 parallelograms. And I'm going to make 3 rectangles and then kind of warp them to fit them onto the box. Now I'm going to customize this. This is going to be for the All Might Ones, which I think is a great name for a shoe. And I'm going to cut this down a little bit, take a selection there, and now I'm going to create two side panels. So I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to fill this in with a blue color that I'm going to take from here. I'm going to paint this in, but you could also use the paint bucket right here. And now I'm going to also make a couple of stripes, kind of like how he has stripes on his suit. So I'm going to make one that's white. I'm going to make the brush smaller. One there, one there, and then I'm going to make a red stripe. And this is my box design. So this, I actually want 2 of these. I'm going to go to, there's something weird here. There we go. I want 2 of these. So I'm going to go to image or layer and duplicate layer. So now I have 2 of them. Now each of these layers I want to warp to fit onto the box. Okay, so I'm going to start with the top one. I'm going to go to edit, transform, and warp. Now warp allows me to kind of like bend it so it's like more organically shaped, like that. And if I go to edit, transform, distort, now I get the option of just kind of placing each one of these points on the box here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just put these points at the corners here, and it warps that rectangle into a parallelogram. And I'm going to do the same thing for these layers too. Edit, transform, distort. Now the minimum for this is that you have 3 panels done. Now you can go above and beyond that and do, all 5 panels. But for now I'm just going to show you the basic. Edit, transform, distort. So a couple of things that we might want to do too. Right now there's no change in lightness or darkness from the left side to the right side, and so I'd actually just go to either the front panel or the side panel and go to image, adjustments, and I would do levels, and I'd just adjust it a little bit lighter or a little bit darker than the other panels, just so you can see the depth there. There we go, and that's how you create a basic shoebox.